Here's my little Instagram tutorial for grilling liver, the kosher way. First of all, you're gonna get a big nice piece of liver, let's say a chicken liver, and you slash it with a knife that is dedicated to that purpose. I don't have one, so I use a plastic knife that I throw out afterwards. Then you use a little salt. You sprinkle it on, enough to give it a good taste. I'll show you later how much it looks like. As soon as you salt them, you should try to get them onto the grill, which also means that you should try not to get salt into your package until you're ready to put them on the grill if you can. And also when you wash the liver, you should make sure there's no gallbladder, which is a green circle that's attached to like the top of it. Usually they don't have, but sometimes you'll see something a little green. You just take out one of the livers, put on enough salt that it'll like taste good at the end, and then straight onto the grill. Then you put it on the grill. You fill up the grill. I usually can fit about 8 or 9 pieces of the chicken liver. I can usually fit 8 to 9. I said that already. And then I tent my tin foil so that it's not really touching the liver, because I don't know if that's a great idea, but to keep it warm enough that the inside will get cooked enough before the outside gets too burnt. After a few minutes, flip it over. You'll see that one side looks kind of cooked. You do the other side. I usually flip it over 2 times, so each side gets 2 times at least. And you can see that the water is going. Anything that goes below the red heating elements, I usually just consider trafe, because everything down there is a little hot and a little trafe. So I get rid of that. And I flip it over with a special fork that I use only for this purpose. When I'm grilling them, I always make sure that after I grill them on each side, if the middle, there's like a section that gets a little bit hidden from the grill, like the inside at the end when I flip them over. Here, I'll show you on this one. Like when it grills like this, so at the end I open it up and I let the inside here also get grilled so that there's no pink, there's not too much pink. A little pink is okay. I'm just gonna show you what the first turn looks like after I've put it on only one side so far, and the top is looking slightly cooked and the other side looks nice, but that side's gonna get another turn to get grilled too. And later, like I said before, this little bit right here on the inside didn't really get cooked, so that's why I later do that other trick I said. Okay, bye. And then afterwards you wash it 3 times. I wash it. Usually just wash all of them. You're supposed to wash it 3 times. So make sure everything gets off of it. And if you want to eat it like a grilled and you don't want it to be soggy, you can put it back on the grill after you wash it 3 times. That's the trick. If it's within 3 days of shefting it, you're allowed to cook it. So you can cook it with a sauce, or you like it with onions. And another thing I wanted to say was that after you grill it, you want to make sure that the inside is not the same color that it started. Like, it's allowed to be a little bit pink, but you do have to be careful that it's not too red. We didn't have any onions for our liver, so we're just eating it with tahina and salad, and we have some salsa, and we even have a fancy old lime.
Whoa.
Join us next week on our next Instagram special, where I teach you how to make a delicious delicacy called tallow and crispies. Ribbonous. Delish.